Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2012 Hyundai Sonata, and we're going to go over how you would replace this outer tail light assembly. Say the LEDs have gone bad in it, or it's cracked and or broken. So this is the one replaceable light bulb. Everything else is LED, so if they go out, you got to replace the whole house. So to start with, you would pop your trunk, and we get back in here and we've got some screws to remove, and then we'll pull this off. So we've got this cover to pull back and to pull off, and then we've got one screw here, one here, and there's another there. And we undo those. They're size 8. They're nuts, I guess. And so then you'll need to undo this electrical connector, pressing the tab and pulling it off. And that way you're able to unhook that. And now we'll be able to remove the assembly. Okay, so we've got our taillight assembly. I'm gonna rock it a little bit and then be able to pull it out. And that way we remove the whole taillight assembly to be able to replace it due to it being cracked, broken, or the LEDs aren't working. Alright, so when you got your new one, or your good replacement, you want to make sure you've got this white little clip up here that you slide it with this tab, because that holds it in on the side. So you want to line that up for sure. So that's lined up, that's pressed in, and now you just reinstall now you just reinstall the nuts back here and tighten them up. Do your best not to drop them down there in the side panel, because you most likely won't be getting them out of there unless you have a good flexible magnet. Alright, those are all good and snug. Make sure you put your electrical connector back on, and then you just be able to put your carpet cover back on. And so that's how you would replace the outside tail light assembly on your 2012 Hyundai Sonata. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.